What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Shoe Care Academy video. I'm Johnny Bubbles, and before we get into today's cleaning, make sure you go ahead and check out my YouTube channel where you can see behind the scenes vlogs of how we do these cleaning videos along with live gaming. So let's get bubbly. Alright guys, for today's video, I am going to be cleaning these cool gray 11s that, as you can see, have definitely seen better days. Now guys, this pair is 10 years old, which is crazy to even say because I remember when these came out. Now I want to know your guys' opinion. Do you think we deserve a retro? Should Jordan Brand bring these back, or should we just leave them in the vault and those of us who have them, and those who don't, well, you guys suck. Let me know, guys. Leave me a comment below. I'd definitely like to know your guys' thoughts. But for today's video, guys, I am only going to clean one shoe. So let's just go ahead and make the right as always. We'll put the left one aside. And the first step, as always, is to grab your adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to the size. These are a size 11. So what you want to do is click these two together. Take it up to about the third hole to the top. Put it inside your shoe. What that's going to allow me to do is apply more pressure and also help reduce that toe box creasing. Now, of course, the next step, guys, remove the laces. All right, guys, next step is to grab your bottle of solution. You want to add a couple squirts to your bowl of water. Now, what I'm going to go ahead and do is, before I get into the cleaning, is drop the laces into the bowl. I'm going to let these soak because they do have like grease stains on them. So letting them soak definitely is going to help break that apart. And of course, now I'm going to begin cleaning the uppers using the soft bristle brush. All right, guys, I went ahead and cleaned the entire uppers with the soft bristle brush. However, I do want to point out that there are a few deep stains in the nubuck material here, which I'm going to go ahead and try to get out with the medium brush. Now, this brush is safe to use on nubuck. However, you want to let the brush really do its thing. You don't want to apply too much pressure, and you should be fine. With the same medium brush, I am going to go ahead and clean the midsole. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, quick break away from the cleaning video to announce our new giveaway that we're having for a signature kit. Thank you, Matthew. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below and comment Cool Gray on that Instagram post, and we'll be choosing the winner in 72 hours. Good luck, guys. All right, guys, we are back. The midsoles are now nice and clean. The uppers are looking nice and clean as well. I went ahead and got those stains out with that medium brush. Now, the last step in this shoe cleaning is gonna be the outsole, and we're gonna go ahead and take care of that with the stiff bristle brush. All right, guys, go ahead and check out this shoe. I am done cleaning the entire thing, including the outsole. Now, one thing I do want to point out is the yellowing on this shoe. Now, it is 10 years old, so of course you're going to see a lot of this yellowing. Now, what I would recommend is anytime you get a new shoe with an icy bottom, definitely apply a Rejuvenator Sole Shield. That's going to go ahead and help minimize the yellowing from happening. But if you do have yellowing and you want to learn how to remove it, go ahead and check out Vic's restoration videos. He has plenty of videos showing you how to unyellow icy bottoms. But now, guys, it's time to go ahead and clean the laces. So we're gonna take them out of the bowl. See if I can get a bubble out of this one. I guess not. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and scrub them between my hands and get them all nice and clean. There you go, guys. The laces are all nice and clean. As you can see, they did clean up really, really well, and that's why you definitely want to let these soak in the soap the entire cleaning, is because it's just going to make the laces look that much better. But we're going to go ahead and let this shoe dry for a couple hours, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. We went ahead and let the shoe dry for a few hours. Go ahead and check that out. Do a nice little 360 for y'all. and show you the bottoms. Now these Cool Gray 11s are looking nice and crispy once again. Now remember guys, you can find all the products I use today at rejuvenated.com. If you like today's video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Awesome.